Parliamentary elections were held in Venezuela on 6 December 2020. Aside from the 167 deputies of the National Assembly who are eligible to be re-elected, the new National Electoral Council president announced that the Assembly would increase by 93 seats for a total of 277 deputies to be elected. The opposition parties that make up the Democratic Unity Roundtable coalition agreed unanimously to not participate in the election, citing irregularities, complaints during the planning of the process and arguing that it was likely they would be fraudulent. 27 political parties signed the agreement, including the four largest opposition parties Popular Will, Justice First, Democratic Action and A New Era. The opposition criticized the appointment of the members of the National Electoral Council by the Supreme Tribunal, pointing out that it is under the purview of the National Assembly, and at least 7 political parties were judicially intervened, including Popular Will, Justice First, Democratic Action, and CAPE, as well as left-wing political parties, including Tupamro, Fatherland for All, and Red Flag. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.